National Weather Service in Glasgow has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Valley County in northeastern Montana, northwestern Macomb County in northeastern Montana, until 9:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 8:51 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Glasgow, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nashua and Whatley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.